All right, people. Bitcoin has momentum again. We're moving up again. We broke 65K for a while, only 4K away from the all time high, and alts are rising again. Doge is going insane. Cardano's doing well. XRP's up as well. Shiba's going insane. I'm telling you guys are probably sorry you didn't buy the meme coins because the other smaller coins I have are not doing as well. Floki is freaking insane at 0.0001592. I mean, looking at the 21 million Floki that was worth $600 just a couple of weeks ago. Right now, you're talking about I think like something like $4,000. Yeah, like you're well, not 4,000 yet, but like $3,200 or something like that. Going absolutely bonkers right now, and I have a feeling it's going up even more. If you actually look at all the coins right now, it is a meme pump outside of the BTC pump. The coins that are up the most, check this out: Doge 23.75, Shiba 28.49. My Floki's up like 28, and all these other meme coins are up as well. My VET is only up like 5.21. Pepe is up like 61%. So all these coins I have, out of all the coins, the Floki and the Doge is actually working out the most. Muesli Swap is not doing too bad for me. It's also up. Muesli Swap's not too bad for me. It's up 9.14. My SNEC, which I wish I had more of now, is probably doing very, very well. Let me just check the SNEC.ADA. Yeah, the SNEC is doing fairly well, up 17. So it is these meme coins that are taking hold. I still believe in some of the smaller gaming coins, like my AWT. It's not doing well right now, but I'm not really afraid for the AWT because I think all I need is just that one pump, that one liquidity. I think like meme coins are actually draining some of these other smaller coins because people are selling these other smaller coins to actually buy memes right now. I don't really know how long this is actually going to last, but obviously you got to know like the crypto kind of like mentality. People are in it for really, really fast gains, and I think that's always kind of going to be like the crypto mentality. I mean, my Jasmy's doing quite well as well, but like I think you have to understand the crypto mentality. They're looking for things that pump really, really fast right now. They know that memes are going to pump really fast, so they're piling in. As long as Bitcoin keeps going up, these memes are going to skyrocket. I feel like, I'm waiting for 100K, 150K before I sell these memes, but I will sell these memes once I reach 100 once Bitcoin reaches 100K, 150K, because I'm not risking these memes actually coming down as well. So like my goals for these memes are being quickly reached, and I will probably cash some of these memes out sooner or later, or put them into other coins if other coins haven't pumped as much. Like I could honestly just go from something like Floki to Cardano, or like Floki to MinSwap, Floki to Muesli Swap, or maybe even like Floki to AWT because like AWT hasn't pumped, and try to catch that double pump. But like all my coins besides AWT are basically doing really well right now. But I think AWT might actually pump later, so I might transition some of this money once I make a lot of it in at least $1,000 into AWT and see where it actually goes. Because when I cash out $1,000 is not going to be that much for these coins. Like MinSwap's at point almost 5 cents. I'm thinking MinSwap can like reach $1 in the bull run. Like Jasmy, I don't really know why Jasmy's going so high, but I think I can get a couple $1,000s off Jasmy. Floki, I'm looking for like 10, 20,000 plus off of it. So I am banking pretty hard on some of these meme coins, and I think it will work out very, very well. I think that's kind of like the new strategy now. Like, like the Cardano, the VeChain, they're doing fine for me. Especially like the ecosystem coins, but these memes are the ones that are really pumping hard. And like once we get to 100K, 150K, which I think we will, I'll sell the memes, and like I think that's going to be before some of these other coins pump, and I'm going to buy with those earnings like some of the smaller coins right now, some of the smaller coins that haven't pumped, at least just with part of the money, so a little bit of the money, and then try to catch that secondary pump. I'm not pumping money back into Bitcoin right now because I do believe Bitcoin is just going to lead the charge. So there's no point in basically selling these smaller alts for Bitcoin because Bitcoin's going to pump first, and all these smaller alts just kind of like follow, but they just pump way, way harder than Bitcoin. I'm so glad I caught on like a month or two ago that these like meme coins are actually going to pump very, very hard in the bull run. Because I think like I finally switched over the mentality that like, yeah, it's not really about utility. It's not really for like crypto investors, not so much about utility. It's definitely about pump and metals and like what's actually trending. And these meme coins are what's trending right now. And I don't think they're going to stop trending until the bull run kind of cools off. If you want to invest in like future utility, that's perfectly fine. I understand that. But if you're just in it for the money, you got to be in some of these coins. I think like if you're not in it right now, like I said, 10 to 15% of your portfolio probably should be in these like coins. And you want to pick ones right now that aren't actually overly expensive, that haven't like massively pumped up yet. You know, those coins that have like 10, 20x so far, might not want to get into. Might pick some small ones that like sound good and maybe have a chance to trend, but haven't really pumped up yet. Maybe some of the newer ones. I'm not really sure which ones those actually are, but I'm pretty sure you can actually search for them. I know that there are new meme coins coming out every day. You can get on like Telegram or Discord or Twitter to actually catch on to those and see like what happens. Like, you know, if I think it's very easy to make 5, 10x from like a new meme coin and sell out. And those meme coins, like they don't have millions of dollars of liquidity. So you want to limit your buys to like you want to limit your buys to like a couple $100 only, because even with a couple $100, you can get a couple thousand or tens of thousands maybe if you're lucky, and you know you'll have enough liquidity to actually pull that out. Whereas if you actually buy like hundreds of thousands or like tens of thousands, you have to pull millions out. You're not going to have the liquidity to pull out of those small meme coins. These meme coins have a couple of $1 million worth of volume, so you can pull like 10, 20K out pretty easily. And with that 10, 20K, you can actually invest in some better long-term projects. I think like, you know, if you don't have 10, 15% in memes waiting to cash out and like go into some big projects, you're going to end up losing pretty big, because right now that's what's going up right now. Eventually everything's going to go up, but the only thing that's like solidly beating Bitcoin on gains right now is meme coins. And we saw how high these meme coins could actually go at the height of the last bull run, and I believe more of them will actually reach it this bull run. And the thing is, like the U.S. can't really suppress it all that much because it is worldwide, and I don't think there's going to be a worldwide suppression of memes. It's not like any of these memes are going to challenge Bitcoin or anything in the top 5. I think Doge is going to remain the top meme out there. But there's going to be several memes that reach into the billions, maybe even tens of billions, but they will be like, you know, under the top 20, under the top 25. But like some of those memes, they're only like a couple, like tens of millions right now. So if they reach even top 50, you're getting 100, 1,000x. And some of these memes are definitely going to reach top 50, just like Pepe reached top 50. There's going to be quite a few of them that actually reach like top 100, and that could easily spell like massive profits from where they are right now. So I think it is time to actually do research on memes. You know, like if you don't have memes already, I mean, I have my memes, so I'm fine with Doge, Floki, Snack, and all that stuff. I already have like several $1,000s in them. Well, it was a couple $100s, but now it's several $1,000s in them right now, and they're making a bigger and bigger portion of my portfolio. Not because I've bought more, but because like basically their growth. It's not smart to, I think, like spend like 40, 50, like over 30, 40% of your money initially on a buy. But if they grow to that big, then I mean, like that's fine. That just means your investment is doing very, very well. And yeah, after like Bitcoin passes 100K, I think it will be time for me to look at cashing out on these memes, especially because many of them will actually hit my targets. I'm a little more positive now that Doge will actually reach my dollar benchmark, and then I will take the Doge and buy like maybe more like something like Saucer Swap, Min Swap, Muesli Swap, or maybe some other like, you know, DeFi project or a DPEN project or stuff like that. Or maybe I'll reinvest a little bit into AWT because I think it's gonna like pump later. Obviously, Jasmy, if it reaches like 5,000-6,000 bucks, I'm gonna sell, cash out a bit, and then like reinvest in other coins. But I think this is the prime time to actually. I think this is actually the prime time to have a bit of money in memes and then reinvest that money later. I mean, like my strategy is working out pretty well, thankfully because of some of the donations, but also because some of the memes I actually bought. I mean, I did buy Snack, I did buy Jasmy, I did buy Doge. The Floki, thankfully, was a donation, and I'm thanking ESP for that. And like some of the other stuff I bought, like AW, isn't working out right now, but I think they will get their turn to pump, and they will pump really big once they get their turn to actually pump. Now, stuff like VeChain, I don't think it's anywhere near the top, but regular coins are pumping much, much slower than like these memes. So I think I'll have time to actually transition money over. So that's kind of what I wanted to say. Like, it's exciting time for Bitcoin, but like I think like if you don't have these memes, it's kind of like time to change the strategy. And that's kind of like my strategy, to hop from memes to regular coins later, because it's very apparent right now that memes are pumping first. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.